టాపిక్స్ వస్తే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను.
చెప్పేసాను సార్.
Good morning children. Today I explain the 10th class syllabus. The chapter is trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from Greek roots. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek roots. Tri means three, and gonio means angle, and metron means measure. Tri, that means is three. Gonio means angle, and metron means measure. Thus, trigonometry means three angle measure. Thus, trigonometry means three angle measure. This trigonometry was first established by Hipparchus, a Greek mathematician. Hipparchus, a Greek mathematician, established by trigonometry. This trigonometry is daily life used in earthquakes and physical senses. And next one, naming the sides in a right triangle. Sides in a right triangle. And next topic, naming the sides in a right triangle. In a triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, then is called right angle triangle. Like triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, then ABC is right angle triangle, and remaining two angles are acute angles. We take angle A is acute angle, then BC is opposite side of angle A. BC is opposite side of angle A. And next one, AB is adjacent side of angle A. And next one, AC is the longest side, is called hypotenuse. So, naming the sides in a right triangle. In a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So, ABC is right angle triangle. Then BC side is acute angle, A opposite side. And AB is adjacent side of angle A. And AC is hypotenuse, is the longest side. So, in triangle ABC, right angle triangle is proved by Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal side square plus side square. This proved by Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal side square plus side square. In a triangle, square of one side, the sum of squares of two sides is equal. Hypotenuse square is called Pythagoras theorem. And next one, trigonometric ratios. Most important topic, trigonometric ratios. In a right angle triangle, angle B 90 degrees, and remaining two angles are acute. Take one of the angle A is denoted by theta. In trigonometric chapter, an angle is denoted by theta. Then trigonometric ratios, there are 6 types. First one, sin theta is full form sin is sin, that angle theta acute. So sin theta is briefly written sin sin theta is equal to opposite side of theta by hypotenuse, that is equal theta के opposite side BC and hypotenuse AC is equal BC by AC. Sin theta is equal opposite side of theta by hypotenuse is equal BC by AC. Sin full form sin is sin theta is briefly written sin theta is equal opposite side of theta by hypotenuse And from figure, opposite side BC and hypotenuse AC. So BC by AC. And second one, cosine theta is briefly written. First three letters cos theta is equal adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. First explain adjacent side AB hypotenuse AC. So AB by AC. Second trigonometric ratio is cosine theta is briefly written cos theta, that is equal adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. From figure, adjacent side of theta is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. And third trigonometric ratio is tangent theta. Tangent theta is briefly written first three letters tan theta, that is equal opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. From figure, theta opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AP. So is written opposite side of theta is BC by adjacent side of theta is AB. Third trigonometric ratio, full form tangent theta is written first three letters tan. So tan theta is equal opposite side of theta from figure BC by adjacent side of theta adjacent side AB. So is written BC by AB is three trigonometric ratios, and remaining three ratios are multiple inverse of before trigonometric ratios. So first sin theta multiple inverse is cosecant theta. And fourth one, cosecant theta is briefly written first five letters cosec theta or jumbling letters CSC theta is cosec theta is multiple inverse of sin theta. So 1 by sin theta, that is equal hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. That is equal hypotenuse from figure AC by opposite side from figure BC. First multiple inverse of trigonometric ratio cosecant theta is briefly written cosec theta is also written CSC theta is named cosec theta, that is equal multiple inverse of sin theta. So 1 by sin theta, that is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. So AC by BC. And fifth one, secant theta is briefly written first three letters sec theta, that is equal multiple inverse of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta, that is equal hypotenuse by adjacent side of theta. Secant theta is briefly written sec theta is equal multiple inverse of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. So multiple inverse hypotenuse by adjacent side of theta, that is equal AC by AB. From figure, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is AB. So AC by AB. And last sixth ratio, cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is briefly written. First three letters cot theta is multiple inverse of tan theta. So 1 by tan theta, that is equal adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. From figure, adjacent side AB by opposite side BC. So AB by BC is the most important topic. And trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are 6 types. First 3 are ratios and next 3 are multiple ratios of before. And the first one, sin theta. Sin theta is briefly written sin theta, that is equal opposite side of theta, theta angle opposite side by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. And second trigonometric ratio is cosine theta, is briefly written cos theta. First 3 letters CO is cos. So cos theta is equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. From figure, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So the ratio is AB by AC. And third trigonometric ratio is tangent theta, is the full name. Briefly written, first 3 letters TAN, tan theta is equal opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. So theta opposite side from figure BC, adjacent side from figure AB. So BC by AB. And next 3 are before 3 ratios multiple inverses. Then the next fourth multiple ratio is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is briefly written first 5 letters COSEC. Cosec theta is also written CSC theta. That is equal multiple inverse of sin theta. So 1 by sin theta, that is equal hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. From figure, hypotenuse is longest side AC by opposite side of theta is BC. So is written AC by BC. And next one, secant theta. Secant theta is briefly written first 3 letters SEC is sec theta is equal multiple inverse of cos theta. So written 1 by cos theta, that is equal hypotenuse by adjacent side of theta. From figure, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is AB. So AC by AB. And last one, cotangent theta is briefly written first 3 letters cot. So cot theta is equal multiple inverse of tan theta. So 1 by tan theta, that is equal adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. So from figure, adjacent side is AB, opposite side is BC. So is written AB by AC. Is mostly important trigonometric ratios in that chapter. And next